I know that you guys went through a really tough time. You put divorce papers
Yes.
in.
Have you been out with women all on the gram? So of course you think you relieved yourself
we done both enjoyed
you.
ourselves. When I got back, the world was upside down. And that led to things that led to things that led to things.
I never, ever, ever, ever on record had with anyone other than you while we've been married.
T.I. and Tiny. If you're looking for a love at first sight, happily ever after fairy tale, we'll warn you, you're not going to find it here. From their personal lives being played out on TV shows, lawsuits, and divorce proceedings, T.I. and Tiny's marriage is anything but ordinary. All love affairs have to start somewhere, though. And for these two, it began in 2001. T.I. had just signed his first huge record deal with Arista, and around the same time he met Tiny. He went on to tell Global Grind that to start off with, Tiny paid him no attention whatsoever, but he knew right away that she was the one for him. Talk about unwanted attention, right? Now, alarm bells should have been ringing at this early stage, but T.I. had his way, and before long, they were both officially an item. Ah, cute. T.I. even recalled driving to Tiny's in those early years without a license just so they could watch a movie together. By 2004, they welcomed their first child, Clifford King Joseph Harris III, into the world, and all was looking rosy. That was until 2007. T.I. casually attempted to buy an unregistered machine gun from his bodyguard, who just so happened to double as a federal agent informant, meaning that he had to serve 7 months in prison. Although he now had illegal driving and illegal weapons inscribed onto his resume, Tiny seemed to be blinded by love and was always there for him, even visiting him regularly in prison. After 7 months behind bars, the couple had a lot of making up to do, and making up they did. What happens when you make lots of love? Babies, of course. Now, sadly, Tiny lost a baby after 6 months of pregnancy.
2007.
Yes, it didn't work out.
Right.
And we also lost a baby around that time.
She told Essence that the sac that held her baby had split in two, and they had not combined by the time she had turned 16 weeks old. Despite sadness setting in, and it clearly being an incredibly difficult time, they didn't give up hope, and they carried on trying. Their efforts paid off, and the couple welcomed their second child into the world on the 16th of May, 2008, who they gave the oh-so-traditional name of Major Phillip Harris. By now, 10 years had passed in their relationship, and on July 30th, 2010, they finally decided they may as well get married. The pair arrived at their wedding in Miami in a horse-drawn Cinderella carriage, while fireworks were set off overhead. It really was like a scene out of a movie. It was very T.I. and Tiny. The trouble is, when it comes to these two, the movie in question isn't a romance. It's a crime thriller full of illegalities and illegitimacy. This was proven in January 2011 when T.I. was serving yet another term, this time of 11 months for illegal possession of Molly, which was against the terms of his probation. Wow, he's such a catch. Tiny didn't have to wait too long for Mr. Perfect to return, however, and by September of that year, he was released. Now, what is the first thing you do after serving time? Start a TV show, of course. Both T.I. and Tiny felt there was a significant gap in the reality TV market to offer the world T.I. and Tiny, The Family Hustle, a show which literally aired the couple's dirty laundry. Now, a cynic would probably say that what happened next would happen for the sheer purpose of getting ratings on their new TV show. But not us. Oh no. Nevertheless, just a few months after the start of the show, T.I. accused Tiny of cheating with Floyd Mayweather, following images surfacing of the pair at a Halloween party. Naturally, instead of turning to marriage counseling, the couple battled it out on their TV show, where Tiny also reminded T.I. of his own infidelities. Awkward. These infidelities were further fueled in May of that year when pictures surfaced of him and Alexis Lacy on Lacy's Instagram page. It would seem that T.I. was far from ready to forgive Mayweather for any cheating that may have taken place, to the extent that in May they were both spotted fighting in Las Vegas. Apparently, Mayweather was in a Fatburger restaurant, and T.I. had taken a swing at him, which in turn started a brawl. Classy. Later on, in a press conference, Mayweather admitted to sleeping with Tiny, but took to Instagram to say that he'd been misquoted. He then deleted the post. Okay, let's move on. Despite all this brawling and fighting over who cheated on who, miraculously, T.I. and Tiny managed to like each other enough to make a beautiful new human being together. On March 26, 2016, the couple welcomed heiress Diana Harris. But don't be fooled. Behind closed doors, they weren't as happy as they tried to seem. By April 2017, Tiny had filed for divorce. As she explained on her show, things are going nowhere, so I'm ready to get things moving. With the reality of the situation setting in, T.I. didn't hang around, and rumors started circulating that a woman by the name of Bernice Burgos was his new flame. Not that this bothered Tiny anymore, of course, as she took to Instagram to post, "I ain't losing sleep over no pass around. Bless him and bless her too." Burgos noticed the comment and responded with a series of Snapchat videos.
Nobody ain't breaking no happy home. Like, stop it. That shit been...
By July, Tiny's terms of divorce had been revealed, citing a request for primary custody of their children and the surrender of all his financial records, to which T.I. filed his own countersuit. At this point, everything went a bit quiet, and it seemed that the dust had finally settled. However, if there's one thing we know about T.I. and Tiny, it is that the silence doesn't last for long. In 2018, just in time for the launch of the new series of T.I. and Tiny, The Family Hustle, shock horror, a video surfaced of the couple arguing about T.I. cheating on his wife. We're not completely sure how authentic the video was, but we're pretty sure it got people talking about the new series of the show. One thing we know though, they both seemed to enjoy the single life during their separation. In an appearance on T.I.'s podcast, Tiny said that she had begun to have fun times. She added, "I was going where I wanted to go. You know what I'm saying?" Fun aside, it wasn't long before they had got back together though, and in the podcast, Tiny explained that they had both found new ways to keep their relationship exciting. In 2019, whilst making an appearance on the Facebook Live show, Red Table Talk, Tiny further explained that the dynamics of their relationship had changed dramatically since T.I. was released from prison.
So when I got back, the world was upside down. She kind of had an air like, it's my time. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I thought we would just go hit the ground running and get back to things being the way they were. And there was an acclimation period.
Yeah.
That I had to make it through. And me just coming back and not being in the position that I was in, it left me feeling lesser than. So I had to go and figure out ways to make myself feel proper.
Whilst behind bars, Tiny had been forced to become more independent, something T.I. didn't like when he returned. This distaste for Tiny's newfound confidence is probably what fueled T.I.'s infidelity on the lead up to their separation, infidelity that he finally confessed to in 2020. Apparently, straight after cheating on her, he immediately realized what he was missing out on and tried his hardest to improve himself in an effort to win her back. What a guy. It did seem that all was forgiven at this point, which was further proven in March of 2020 when we got a front seat view of their private life. T.I. posted a wonderful picture of his wife whilst expressing his gratitude towards her. Tiny later went on to follow suit and posted another picture of the pair with the caption, "This me and T.I. all day. Rona got us in here trying not to make a baby." Too old for that, LOL. T.I. responded with, "Oh, babies will be made." Did this mean that all talk of scandal had been forgotten about and the pair had decided to move on with their lives as fully grown loving adults? No. In early 2021, rumors had started to circulate that T.I. and Tiny had been accused of intimately abusing a series of women. The accusation had been sparked by a former associate by the name of Sabrina Peterson, who had also added abuse, drugging, and trafficking to her shopping list. Peterson had previously accused T.I. of holding her up with a gun, an accusation that he denied, but this wasn't going to stop her from posting screenshots in an effort to back her claims. The screenshots are of DMs sent to her by other women who claim they too were abused by the pair. On January 29th, both T.I. and Tiny responded to the claims. Their spokesperson said, "Mr. and Mrs. Harris want to be on record and, more importantly, want the public to know they empathetically deny in the strongest way possible the egregiously appalling allegations being made against them by Sabrina Peterson. The Harrises have had difficulty with this woman for well over a decade. They are taking this matter very seriously, and if these allegations don't end, they will take appropriate legal action." Regardless of their denial, MTV said in a statement that they had decided to suspend production on T.I. and Tiny Friends and Family Hustle, which was midway through filming in Atlanta due to the seriousness of the allegation. In early March, Tyrone A. Blackburn of T.A. Blackburn Law made a call for the pair to be investigated, saying, "We are here now to raise awareness." He continued, "And it is the responsibility of the authorities to do their own investigation and to prosecute as needed." He said that he had sent letters that detailed individual claims against them to prosecutor offices in California and Georgia. The case continues. Whatever happens, the scandal of T.I. and Tiny's marriage is clearly far from over. But the good news is we all have a front row seat to see how it pans out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more messy videos.